you can either receive your SeedSigner pre-assembled or unassembled. In the case you purchase it and receive it unassembled, you'll have to do it yourself. And this is what we're gonna do in this video. Let's get started. So for the SeedSigner, we have three main elements and the enclosure. We have the Raspberry Pi Zero, we have the screen, and we have the camera. The enclosure is optional, not necessary, but very practical. So first, what we're gonna do is plug the camera into the Pi. Then we're gonna insert it in the enclosure, and then we're gonna add the screen on top of it. So first, we're gonna add the camera to the Pi. So we're gonna unlock this. At the camera, it has to be facing upward as you insert it. So we insert it here, and then we just close it like this. And then we have to insert it inside the enclosure. So as you can see, there is a hole for the camera. So the camera is gonna go inside. And to insert it, this one is a bit difficult, so we'll see if it works. As you can see, there are little thingies here to support the screen, so we're gonna have to slide it inside under these things and then push it. And with this one, we may have to push a bit hard because maybe the enclosure was not made properly. So done. As you can see, it was a bit harder with this one. It was a bit tough to use. The enclosure was a bit resistant, but we did it. We just had to do it the rough way. Once that's done, we just have to add the screen, which should be way easier. We just have to put it there, and once it's aligned, we just have to up. Okay, and so that's it. It's assembled. Now we just have to add the buttons and the screen. Once we have that ready, we just have to add the screen enclosure with the buttons. So what we're going to do is first add this one to this button. That's it. Here you go. And then add these ones. So first we're gonna put them in the enclosure, and then we're gonna stick them in like this. And there we go. We have our SeedSigner assembled. That's it. We now have a fully assembled signing device ready to be used in our Bitcoin vault. The only thing missing is the SeedSigner firmware that we'll download and install in the next section. For now, our signing device will stand still on our offline disk.